Today I've got a special treat for all you cookie lovers out there. If you're a fan of both pumpkin and classic snickerdoodles, you are in for a treat with these pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. They're soft, chewy, and bursting with warm spices. Let's get started. First up, let's mix our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, I've got some all-purpose flour, and to that, I'm adding baking soda, cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. Then the stars of the show, cinnamon and nutmeg. Give it all a good whisk and set it aside. Next, we're creaming our butter and sugars. In a large bowl, I've got some softened butter. To that, I'm adding both granulated sugar and brown sugar. Using an electric hand mixer on medium-high, I'm going to beat this together until it's light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of that bowl as you go. Now let's add in the wet ingredients. I've got some pumpkin puree, an egg, and some vanilla extract. Mix this on low until everything is fully combined. Make sure you're using pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. Time to bring everything together. We're going to gradually add in the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. We want our cookies to stay nice and tender. Also, don't be intimidated by the creaming process. The more you bake, the easier and better you'll get at it. With our dough ready, grab a cookie scoop and measure out your dough. Shape them into balls and place them on your cookie sheet. Now pop that in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Chilling helps the cookies maintain their shape and gives them that perfect chewy texture. It's time to prepare the coating. In a small bowl, I'm mixing together granulated sugar, cinnamon, and a bit of ginger. I'm rolling the chilled dough in this mixture and placing them on parchment-lined baking sheets. Make sure to space them at least 2 inches apart. Now these babies are ready to bake. Pop them in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are set and the centers look slightly underbaked. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. These are perfect with a glass of milk or a cozy cup of coffee. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and check the description box for the full recipe details. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious treats, and I will see you next time. Bye.